Hello guys, here we're back. So in this part, we're going to learn the JavaScript console. The JavaScript console is known as the developer tools console. So every time you hear about JavaScript console, think about the developer tools console. So what it is, JavaScript console? It's tools that developers use in order to have information about the JavaScript that currently running in the browser window. So in short, the JavaScript console gives you information about the JavaScript that's currently running in the browser window. If there are errors in the JavaScript code of a web page, you see information about the errors in the console. Another very cool capability of the console is that you can type JavaScript code into the console panel and it will run. So without further ado, let's learn how to do it. So go to Google Chrome. If you don't have the Google Chrome, install Google Chrome. So after that, click in the top right, click the three vertical dot. In more tools, click developer tools. So we have many options, as you can see, but what interests us is the console. So you click the console, and you see the pointer, this pointer. This is the console. So to write your first JavaScript code, we make a short calculation. You write 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 now 3 plus 7 equals enter equals 10. So you can also click here and click and write about two dots and click blank. You write blank. Perfect. So you click the console. Here you see the pointer. So you can do the same exercise. 3 plus 7. Hit enter. You have the output 10. So we can do more a small exercise. So we're going to write a function. How to do it? So we build our first variable. Let's write my lesson. Okay, I collect my lesson function. Inside the function, we put a parameter number, and you create a curly bracket, press shift and enter to go to the second line, and here you write the for loop. So here you write var not var e var e equal 0 e inferior number. Sorry, I make mistake. Here you see the error, the console output an error because I hit enter. It's, normally I can't hit the enter, so let's restart. Let me copy this code, I paste it here, so you follow our exercise. Number e plus plus, perfect. Press shift and enter and hit enter, and we're going to console log e plus the string, and in this string we're going to write I am learning the basics of JavaScript. So now let's call our function. Don't forget, press shift and hit enter, and let's call our function that name our function that named my lesson. So as we put the number as variable, we want to type 10, and now we can hit enter. Perfect. You see, congratulations, you write your first JavaScript code into the console. So now let's see how to write JavaScript code in the real life, the real world life.